Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Chess King, and in this today video we are going to discuss a very interesting bishop and a knight endgame. If you will see to this board, then you can find that white has a very good position because he has a d7 d6 pawn which is going to be a queen in 2 steps, or he has also one bishop. But if you will talk about black, then I can say that he has only one knight and a one pawn, which is too much for to become a queen. So the question is that this is white to play and win this match. If you can, then please pause this video and try to find the winning move for white over here. So let me discuss some tricks. If you try to play like a bishop to e8, then it is going to be draw because black can simply play like a h5, and you have to capture this pawn by bishop cross h5, and simply king to e4 will give you a draw. Because if you try to play like king to e6, then simply king to d4, and after any move like bishop to e2, black is just going to play like knight to g6, just because of you cannot play like a d7 pawn because you're going to fork on knight to f8. Or if you're not going to play like a d7, if you try to play like bishop to f1, then simply knight to f8 check, and king to f7, simply king to c5 will be a draw because you cannot capture this knight, you're going to lose this d6 pawn square. Or if you try to play like a king to e7, then simply again knight to g6 check, and after king to e6 and after knight to f8, or again if you try to play like king to e7 and knight to g6, it is going to be repeated and it will give you a draw. So you cannot play bishop to e8, so you have know the answer. So what is the correct way to push this pawn or try to win? So let me tell you the answer. The answer is bishop to f5, stopping this knight to coming on d7 square. This is the only way where you can win this match. Here, if black try to play like h5, pushing his pawn, then simply king to e6. Just we have to wait because this black knight cannot move. So after h4 and king to f6, and right now knight to c6. Here black can play also like h3, but this is also worse because simply we can play bishop cross h3 and knight king to e4 and king to e6. King to d4 will be just good because after bishop to f5. Right now this knight cannot, so this king cannot come on e4 square, so he has to move this knight anywhere else. Like if we try to play like knight to d3, then simply d7 will be a winning. Or if we try to play like knight to c6, then simply again also a d7 will be a winning. So if we try to play like a king to e3, then simply king to d6 will attack to this knight, and this knight has to move, and after king to c7, knight to f7, and after bishop to e6, and if knight moves anywhere else, it is going to be queen on a d8 square. So hope you understand that why he cannot play h3 over here. So let's go to the h3 square. So he cannot play h3, so he has to play like knight to c6 move. So this is also going to be winning because we are going to play d7 pawn, and after knight to d8 and bishop to e6, and after king moves anywhere else like king to e4, then simply bishop to h3, just a waiting move. Or here black has to come on f3 square to attack this bishop on h3, otherwise he cannot push this h3 pawn, so h4 pawn. So here we are very good move that we can attack this knight by playing king to e7. And if here black is trying to play like knight to b7, then no need to worry. Here you can also pause this video and try to deflect this knight on b7. How you can deflect? The simple maneuver of this bishop will be help because after bishop to f1 and knight, sorry, king to g3 and bishop to a6 will deflect this knight to anywhere else. If we try to play like knight to c6, sorry, bishop to a6 and knight to c5, simply we will have a queen on a d8 square. So here I can say that we have just won this match because black has to resign. If we try to play like h3, then simply queen to d6 check. He's going to lose because after king to f3, and he's also going to lose this knight on c5 square. And after h2 and simply bishop to b7 will be just a winning for white over here. So hope you like this video, and if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe over here, and don't forget to press the bell icon where you can watch a very interesting chess puzzle and chess tricks. So have a nice day. Bye bye.